This video is for the Real News Assignment 3, Create a Survey. First, you're going to go to drive.google.com, click on New up at the top, and then click on More, and then click on Google Forms. Then you're going to click where it says Untitled Form and type something like Real News Survey. And then from here, what you're going to do is click where it says Untitled Question. And you're going to type your first question, which is going to be something similar to what we see here, where you're going to ask people, did you find your first article to be a reliable real news story? Then you're going to click yes and no to add those as options. Then you're going to click where it says Untitled Form, and that's going to give it a title. So we're just going to scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to hit the plus sign in order to add a new question. So then what you're going to do is you're going to make the new question a paragraph type question, which is basically an open response. So you're going to click multiple choice and then click paragraph. And then from here, you're going to click where it says question and type something similar to this. Why do you think our first article is or is not a reliable news story? Then we're going to click on the plus sign in order to add another question. Scroll down to see it, and it should come up as multiple choice. So then what you're going to do is include a question that's similar to what we see here. So did you find our second article to be a reliable real news story? And again, click yes and no to add those as answer choices. You're then going to click the plus sign one more time. Scroll down, you're going to click where it says multiple choice, change that one to a paragraph. And then from here, what you're going to do is include a question that asks people to explain why you think that your second news article is or is not a reliable news story. So something similar to that. So then what we're going to do next is we're going to scroll up to the top, and we're going to change some of the settings on the survey. So you're going to click on the gear. And then what you're going to do is check off where it says collect email addresses and check off where it says limit to one response. Then click on save. Then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to share the survey with your partner and with Mrs. Foley. So you're going to click on the three dots up at the top and click on add collaborators. This is going to allow them to be able to edit. So then under invite people, you'll type in your partner's address and efoley@hanoverschools.org. Click on send and then click on done. You might have to scroll down to find the done button. So then what you're going to do is you're going to view the survey that people will be able to take. And you do that by clicking on the little preview button, which looks like an eye. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click to highlight the URL and then hit Control-C on your keyboard to copy it. From here, what you're going to do is open up a new tab, and in the new tab, you're going to go to goo.gl. This is going to bring you to a URL shortener. So you're going to click where it says your original URL here, and then hit Control-V on your keyboard, then click on Shorten URL. And then what you're going to do is click on the two boxes, and that's going to copy the short URL. Then from here, you're going to click on Done. Next, you're going to click back over to Google Drive, and you're going to open up your Real News presentation. So I happen to have mine here. If you don't see it, then you can always search for it. Anyway, so you're going to open up your presentation in Google Drive. And then on the left-hand side, you're going to scroll down and click on your last slide. Then from here, what you're going to do is click on the plus sign in order to add a new slide. And then what you want to do is click where it says click to add title and just type in survey. Then you're going to click where it says click to add text and then type something like this that says, please fill out a survey by going to, and then you're going to two-finger click on your touchpad and choose paste without formatting. That's going to paste your URL in the same font. And then you're just going to click and drag to highlight the https:// and hit backspace on your keyboard. So then what you'll be doing is you'll be presenting your presentation to small groups, and they will be filling out a survey when you are done with your presentation. And that's it.